Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, you know what the funny thing is? Umpumelelo all along made it look like or made it seem like the reason why or part of the reasons why you couldn't make Uvuyokazi wife number one was because she was not a virgin. He kept saying, hey, Yena is gonna marry a virgin who's as a first wife and ton. But on this episode, we see him do the exact opposite. He goes and make a non-virgin his first wife. And I feel like this has been proving something I've been saying. Umpumelelo vele, he didn't want to make Uvuyokazi first wife. Those things you were saying were excuses, and I've even said Uti, I feel like he's the one who pushed Uvuyokazi to exit that relationship. In all honesty, if he didn't do that, I don't know if she would still probably or maybe she'd even still be in this relationship till today. And that just makes me think he keeps saying, or on this episode he said Uti, the reason why he didn't go and pay lobola for Utirelo first is because Utirelo is the one who didn't want. So I'm just like, this guy is lying, guys. This guy is just using it as an excuse. Guys, Umpumelelo, I don't think Wasekalen he ever planned to make Utirelo first wife. I remember at some point he even said Uti his first wife was going to be a Zulu woman, and I think he's been sticking to that. Now the sad thing is Utirelo, she's been, standing up for this man, fighting for this man, only for him to turn around and do a dirty like this. If he really wanted to make her first wife, guys, he was going to rectify the things that Utirelo has been complaining about. You can't tell me you've been dating someone for 5 years and they've been telling you what their complaints are. And the funny thing, what Utirelo is asking for is it shouldn't even be something she's fighting with Umpumelelo about. Imagine taking the child a crash, and he says, Uti, there's important things that he had to do when you couldn't pay maintenance for the child. Can't the child going to crash? Is that not included in important things, guys? She's been dating this man for 5 years, trying to be this man's peace. And then some other girl comes for 5 months. Within 5 months, she is married. Highbo, guys. No, Amahle, is she that desperate for umshato? How do you marry a guy where we are trenda for all the wrong reasons, by the way, and you marry him within 5 months? Hi, girl. But anyway, congratulations, Amahle, for being married to Umpumelelo. We see, guys, Umpumelelo does take abakhongi bakhe to Amahle's home. And by the way, this whole thing, the way it seemed, Ingati, hi man, something was just not adding up, because he called his abakhongi bakhe. One is in Cape Town, the other one can't make it, almost as if these people were not taking him seriously. Because if you are my friend and I'm telling you on Friday we're going to pay lobola at someone else's house, I'm not expecting that on Friday when I'm calling you, you're telling me you're in Cape Town. That means you don't take me seriously. So I was just wondering to myself, was this into yama last minute? What's going on with them celebs, guys? Because they're Umusta, the way he even married his last wife, Umakwela, so quickly. What is the rush, guys? Is the world coming to an end and we are just not realizing it, and hence some celebs are taking their wives and want to enjoy life? Ngalana tinas kamisile, we are busy in the endabas. Hey guys, they must tell us, because what is that rush, you guys? But anyway, when the abakhongi comes back at some point to Umpumelelo to tell him what's going on, we see Umpumelelo calling Umusa to confirm or to find out, is the cows gonna come in an envelope form or in the actual 4-legged animal walking into Ematlageni Wababiyela. And I'm just like, Auntie, who's paying the lobola here? Umusa's the one paying the lobola because he's the one who confirmed all of that. I'm just thinking to myself, this is the same man who was saying to Abongo when Abongo was asking about a new car. He was saying to her, would you know, she must go. That's the reason why she must go to school so she can buy herself a car. Yeah, na beno pilo. I'm just like, this man has money to be paying ilobolo for a boy who's not even treating himself well. And then he's got 2 daughters who are so well behaved, and yet he comes don't buy them cars. Guys, it's not a matter of that. He just doesn't want to buy his daughter's cards. He just refuses to give his daughter's princess treatment. And that's quite sad, you guys. But anyway, the lobola, they eventually come to an agreement. We see Amahle coming out there, guys. She was looking so beautiful. Coming out there with a tray. She goes on her knees when she gives her man food. Guys, that time it was raining, that wet grass. I'm just like, girl, shooty. She's gonna live very well nje kahle nje eMzumbe. Chances are Amahle is going to be the one staying eMzumbe, and uTiralo will maybe become second wife if she changes her mind, and she'll stay at Dolopeni, guys, while Amahle continues staying there eMzumbe. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this, guys. Amadoda. Men know what they want, guys. Never think, Ubuti, no, I need to explain things. No, they know exactly what they must do. So if you see a person not acting right, it's because they don't want you, my babe. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.